Stay back, stay on the sidewalk. Marcus, come back and stay on the sidewalk. Vanessa, stay on the sidewalk, honey.
Remember, cut it into small, hold it into small pieces. Some Vanessa, remember, cover it up.
Be sure you help them because they're... Don't go on the grass, stay on the sidewalk. What? That was nice of you, yeah. Yes. They like that bread? Marcus, go on the sidewalk. Marcus.
If you go down to the woods today, you're sure of a big surprise. If you go down to the woods today, you'd better go in disguise. For every bear that ever there was will gather there for certain, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Every teddy bear who's been good is sure of a treat today. There's lots of marvelous things to eat and wonderful games to play. Beneath the trees where nobody sees, they light and seek as long as they please, 'cause that's the way the teddy bears have their picnic. Picnic time for teddy bears. The little teddy bears are having a lovely time today. Watch them, catch them unawares, and see them picnic on their holiday. See them gaily gad about. They love to play and shout, they never have any cares. At 6 o'clock their mommies and daddies will take them home to bed, because they're tired little teddy bears. If you go down in the woods today, you'd better not go alone. It's lovely down in the woods today, but safer to stay at home. For every bear that ever there was will gather there together, because today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic. Today's the day the teddy bears have their picnic.